Textile sewing technology is crucial for textile end products. Most sewing defects in the production process are often discovered during the final inspection stage, leading to the need for returning the finished products to the production line for repair. This increases costs and may even impact shipment deadlines, resulting in financial losses and damage to the reputation. Taiwan Textile Federation has developed digitized stitch characteristic technology to address bottlenecks in the production line. By machine vision, it compares, identifies, and inspects during the sewing process. Any stitching defects detected by machine vision are instantly transmitted to the sewing worker through mobile devices, providing information on the cause of the defect and potential solutions. This allows for immediate adjustments and corrections to be made on the production line based on the provided guidance. Implementing automated optical inspection for stitch recognition enhances sewing efficiency and assists the industry in effectively controlling the quality of stitching while optimizing the overall manufacturing process.